Okay, guys, I love buying new toys for my cats. Sometimes they like them, sometimes they're scared of them. This is going to be a completely unbiased review. My cat's at the door. He's a little indoor-outdoor cat. Let's see what he thinks of this. Actually, both cats were at the door. And as soon as I got one out, they came over. Like I said, sometimes they're scared of toys. Sometimes they like them. They're a little bit older cats. They're not kittens. You're curious. You're curious. You keep smelling it. My other cat said is going for the food instead. Oh, you want to rub your head on it? They're definitely catnip scented. And yeah, oh, wow, you can tell. You like it? Do you like it? Do you like the catnip toy? So yeah, 1 out of 2 of my cats highly approve at a first glance. The other one, I don't know, maybe he'll like it after he's had a snack, but yeah, you like it? Oh, here comes the other one. Do you like it? What do you think, Smokey? I would say he likes it too. I think you like it more though, Blizzard. Yeah, you like your toy? Are you saying thank you? I think these are a win, guys. They crinkle a little bit. They're pretty firm. They're not flimsy. They're pretty firm. They make a crinkle noise. I feel like they would slide across the room well if they wanted to paw them. And yeah, they must... I don't think they smell super strongly of catnip, but they must smell strongly enough of catnip because they approve of them. I hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy. Cute kitty. You gonna join in? It's got you guys in a playful mood. Oh, did you want to turn? You wanted to turn. There's 3 of them. You guys didn't have to fight over that one. I would say yes, my cats recommend these.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.